This is a quick video to walk you through the initial setup and basic operation of your Midland walkie-talkies. It applies to both the GXT1000 and the X-Talker FRS models. Begin by powering your radio on. On the display you will see channel 1, an H for the high power setting, and the battery level indicator. The light will go out after a couple of seconds, that's normal. On the left side of the radio you'll see the PTT button, the push to talk button. This is the button you push to transmit. On the right side of the radio is a cover for the port where you will connect headsets or microphones. On the front of the radio you'll see, from left to right, the lock and call button, the arrow down SOS button, the arrow up button, and the monitor scan button. In the center is the menu and weather channel button. A long push on this button puts you into the NOAA weather channel mode. A short push puts you into menu mode. Let's go into menu mode and make a couple of changes. Press the menu button until you come to the BP setting. When you see BP, use the arrow to toggle it from the on position to the off position. Then press the menu button again to get RB, and again toggle that setting off as well. We've now turned off the key beep and the Roger beep. All you should see on the display at this point is the channel number, the power level setting, and the battery level indicator. The most common operation you'll need to know on the radio is changing the channel. You do this by pressing the menu button and then using the arrow up or down to select the channel frequency that you'd like to use. Once you've arrived at the channel that you want to use, press the push to talk button to select that channel. To change the power level setting, again press the menu button and toggle through until you come to PR. Once you have PR, use the arrow buttons to navigate through the low, medium, and high settings. Again, L for low, M for medium, and H for high. Press the push to talk button once you've selected your power level. To lock the keypad, push the call lock button for a long hold. This will lock the keypad with the exception of the push to talk button. You'll see the padlock icon on the screen. Another long push of the call lock button will remove the lock. A long push on the arrow down SOS button will activate an alarm. Hopefully you won't need to do this. If you do, push the button down and hold it for about 5 seconds. Push and hold the PTT button to deactivate it. A long push on the monitor scan button will disable the squelch circuit. Another long push reactivates it. A short push on the monitor scan button will activate the scan. Another short push deactivates. And that's really all you need to know. There are other functions available on the Midland walkies, but we don't use any of them in the ECT. You can get the manual out and explore them if you'd like, but none of them are really necessary. Make sure and watch the video on this channel called CTCSS for Midland walkies to learn how to set up the CTCSS tones on your radios to be in tune with the comm plan. As always, if you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Email, cell phone, and we'll get you sorted out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, 7-3.